Demystifying Possessive Determiners in English. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus will be possessive determiners. These tiny words play a crucial role in how we express possession, relationships, or belonging in English. So, without further ado, let's get started. Possessive determiners, also known as possessive adjectives, are words that go before a noun to show who or what the noun belongs to. Some common examples include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," the word my is a possessive determiner that shows the book belongs to the speaker. In English, the possessive determiner must agree with the possessor, not the possessed. This means that if you're talking about a book that belongs to you, you always use my, no matter whether the noun you're modifying is singular or plural, masculine or feminine. Here's an example. "This is my book," and "these are my books." Even though book is singular and books is plural, my remains the same. It's also important to distinguish between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. While they express the same concept of ownership or belonging, their usage in a sentence is different. Possessive determiners, as we've discussed, modify a noun. They cannot stand alone. In contrast, possessive pronouns replace a noun. They stand alone and do not modify other words. For instance, "The book is mine" uses mine as a possessive pronoun. Remember, each possessive determiner has a corresponding possessive pronoun. For instance, my corresponds to mine, your to yours, and their to theirs. Well, that wraps up our lesson on possessive determiners. They might seem small, but they carry a lot of weight in our sentences. Remember, these words help us express relationships and ownership in English, and they always agree with the possessor. Keep practicing, and you'll master the usage of these important words in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!